Okay, good evening. It is day 120, I believe, of coding every day. Um, so, um, Nothing has, really happened since yesterday. So yeah, my presentation for the computer architecture um, pipeline, basically, some UI. I'm doing more UI than I need to be. Is on Wednesday this week. My linear algebra exam is actually next Tuesday. I thought it was this coming week. Again, I need to start studying for that. And then I probably have like a computer system principles project this week that I haven't even looked at yet. So maybe I'll do that tonight. But as for what I did today, like I said yesterday, I wanted to work on the decode stage today. And also Cursor was trying that out, again today. Um, I won't lie, I kind of talking about just Cursor for right now. I kind of like the whole. I okay. I have a few thoughts. Number one, I kind of miss in I don't know. I don't know. Going back to like the VS Code style of IDE, it definitely has its advantages. Um, but I can definitely see if I got more efficient with NeoVim, just how it would absolutely demolish the VS Code. I think I'm about the same speed of just like Control Q, bringing up a file thing, typing in the file and going to the file as I am just clicking like a sidebar. It makes I don't know. I like both kind of equally right now. Um, so the actual IDE thing is, and I really like the colors on Cursor for like syntax and just the actual IDE overall. But for the actual functionality of Cursor, I just find it annoying. Like you can see in this video, I'm using it, and I pretty much reverted it almost every change I made. Um, I kind of just don't like it. Um, Maybe it's the model that I'm using. Maybe I need to hook up the ChatGPT API, but like this Claude Sonnet, I hate every single like decision that it's making. So yeah, probably going to be reverting um, back to NeoVim for tomorrow. Um, but I don't know. Maybe I'll use it again. Um, so yeah, as for what I actually did though today in the video was first I had to kind of fix the fetch stage, um, which was just not really like fix what I was doing, but I wanted to redo the actual pipeline header because I kind of completely forgot that you kind of want pipeline registers that sit between each stage to pass information. So I redid the fetch kind of idea beforehand. I literally just had like I was defining a type for fetch stage, but I wanted to define a register. So that's what I went through, and I made the decode and fetch like in between registers, and then we set up the decode stage, which is which that was actually what I did get that written by Claude Sonnet pretty quickly, in which it literally just goes through and it checks. Actually, the really nice thing that would have took me a while was just looking at the opcode 4 bits. Well, at first it just takes each 4 bit amount, and then it just like looks at the opcode and it looks for a range. If it's like above or below whatever range it's looking at, then it's like, oh, this is a register to register type, and then it will take those 4 bits, take what we want, define them, and then we'll pass that to execute so it knows what it wants to do. So I still want to look over, make sure what I'm sending to that register is good, but pretty good work today on the execute and decode stages and the overall pipeline. But yeah, that was about it for today. I'm gonna meet with my partner tomorrow to work on hopefully getting close to the end of that project. But yeah, so that's it for what I did today. So I will see you tomorrow. Probably just gonna be working on the same thing today, just like polishing it. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.